Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am bringing to you facts that, if heard, should make humanity hang its head in a shame. Several international global solidarity flotilla ships, which were on their way to deliver humanitarian aid to the opposite people of Gaza, were intercepted by the Israeli Navy. The authority took control of the ships and denied several activities in international water. To be clear, no supplies were confiscated, but the ships were prevented from proceeding and some passengers were diverted to ports. This act is a blatant violation of international law, the Geneva Convention, and basic human decency, and the excuse of silence can't be accepted. Let me clear the United Nations and the European Union and all those Muslim countries that only issue formally statements or remain silent a political convenience. Your silence is shameful and you must face your responsibility. The OIC and particular must go behind traditional speeches and take real action. You have a diplomatic influence, resource, and the authority to speak the language of law. So today is the time to use it. European Union, I ask you, if you claim to defend human rights, act accordingly, stop your double standard. When you issue affect Europe, your react is immediately, but when innocent live are at stake in Gaza, your voices vanish. This is not a justice, and the habit is it's a moral failing. As a Muslim country that have a strength and diplomatic and economy ties with Israel, especially those prioritize silence for wealth and influence. Your silence and political convenience come at the cost of innocent lives. Is the Islamic Brotherhood? Is this moral responsibility? You must answer. The United States, and the political leaders who open support Israel. Your political and statement will judge principle law and the humanitarian should not bow the political game. You should feel shame for participating in policies that harm humanity. We demand, while remain fully within the bounds of international law, the International Criminal Court and the United Human Rights Commission must launch immediately transparent and effective investigation. The legal status of incident action and international water injustice prevent of aid must be fully audited, and anyone found violating international law must be held accountable. We also expect accountability through diplomatic action. Censorship and other legal means were not enough. Action is required. I also issue clear instruction here. It is everyone individual responsibility not to remain silent. Engage in peaceful yet strong protest. Writing letter to your union council, MNAs, MPs, and demand that take immediately action against this injustice. Local civil society, human rights organization, and religious leaders should collectively increase pressure so that the UN and the OIC take meaningful action. We warn that silent have no longer tolerated. This is not a justice, a Palestine issue. It is test for a humanity. If we remain passive today, tomorrow another oppressed community will fall victims to the same silent. Therefore, the time has come to act logically or organized and within the law, so that a clear message is sending worldwide. Obstruction to aid and the preventing humanitarian relief and violation of international law will not be tolerated. The demand of justice will be fulfilled, and everyone responsibility party with held to be held accountable. No, now rising, writing letter to you represented, join peaceful protest and raise your voice against this is injustice, so that the world now the Gaza it is oppress the peace people and human lives can't be destroyed, and justice will unlimited prevail.